Hi, ciao a tutti. Why a visit to Venice? There are so many reasons to visit my wonderful water town. First of all, because Venice is one of the most beautiful towns in the world. In my opinion, of course, Venice is the most beautiful town in the world. I was born here, I'm Venetian. Then, because Venice is the only water town in the world. When the first inhabitants moved here from the mainland, they built upon the islands they found in the Venetian lagoon all their houses and buildings and bridges and churches. So Venice is into the water. Then a visit to Venice because the history of the old Venetian state that was called La Serenissima is really amazing. There are so many things to discover. Then because there's a work of art, there's a masterpiece really in every corner of the town. And because the element that you can find everywhere in my town is beauty. If you do love the beauty like me, it's really worth coming here. Why a visit with a local official guide? Because a local knows the town. Not only the normal history of Venice, not only the architecture, the dates. A local, a Venetian lives in the town. We work in the town everywhere. And I am Venetian. I was born here. I live here. I studied here. And I will be really glad to share my Venetian experience with you. So if you want to get more infos, if you want to book a tour, see my website, theveniceguide.et. You can also send an email, info@theveniceguide.et. I thank you so much and have a nice day. Ciao, ciao!